Later, this boy became a priest in the Pilar society. At the time of his birth, Cosma's mother's and his own life were in danger, as she was bleeding profusely and continuously. The doctors decided on a cesarean operation.
Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you all 5 interesting facts about our Saint Juze Vaz. So let's start. We all know that he served selflessly as a nurse, doctor, cook and so on. But do you all know, during the epidemics of smallpox, he used to bury 10 to 12 bodies per day. The king had abandoned the kingdom and was living in the jungle from the fear of contracting the disease. But Saint Juze Vaz didn't leave his people. His elders had taken a decision to remove him from his priesthood, but
The elders took a decision to remove him from priesthood and cast him away from the holy church. But God reveals his clear heart and mind to his elders through a miracle. During the prayer, God raised him above the ground and enlightened the confused minds of the elders. Thus, God protected his priesthood.
it is said that he issued a command over the snakes that they will never bite a priest. In Sri Lanka, till date, no snake has bitten a priest. The video is not paused, the story is paused. Why? Because you didn't hit the like and subscribe button. Fast. Thank you. He educated his servant and companion John, who accompanied him in Sri Lanka, and he requested his superiors to ordain him as a priest. John, who later returned to Goa, was ordained as a priest, the first Dalit priest. The miracle which gave him the status of a blessed.
To get the status of blessed, one miracle was needed, and that miracle was obtained through the surprising miracle in the birth of the child Cosme Suze Kosta. During the birth, his mother's life was in danger, but through the intercession of Father Juze Vaz, God helps them. Without any problem, the child was born. Later, this boy became a priest in the Pilar society. At the time of his birth, Cosma's mother's and his own life were in danger, as she was bleeding profusely and continuously. The doctors decided on a cesarean operation. However, when the moment for the operation came, the bleeding stopped suddenly, and the child, although premature, was born normally. God thus helped them through the intercession of Father Joseph.
You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa, and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success, or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. So रेस्पोर जे कितें नीट आनी बरें म्हणटात तितलेंच तुमी करात आनी सगळें तुमचें बरें जातलें. देव बरें करूं. He educated his servant and companion John, who accompanied him in Sri Lanka,